the absolute best way to improve energy and overcome brain fog. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to address a challenge that many of us face in our fast-paced lives: low energy and brain fog. These issues can hold us back, dim our focus, and limit our potential. But the good news is that science offers us practical solutions to reclaim clarity and vitality. Let's dive into the absolute best ways to improve energy and beat brain fog, based on proven research and strategies. 1. Prioritize sleep. The foundation of energy. Sleep is essential for mental clarity and energy. Without it, our brain struggles to detoxify and process information efficiently. What can we do? Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Reduce blue light exposure before bed and avoid caffeine after midday. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. When we sleep well, our minds wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. 2. Fuel your brain with the right nutrition. What we eat directly impacts the structure and function of our brain. A sluggish brain often comes from poor nutrition. To boost energy and focus, incorporate omega-3 rich foods like salmon and walnuts to enhance communication between brain cells. Balance your meals with complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats to stabilize blood sugar. Stay hydrated. The brain is 80% water, and even mild dehydration can impair memory and focus. 3. Move your body. Energize your mind. Exercise is not just about physical health. It's a direct investment in your brain. It boosts blood flow, releases endorphins, and reduces brain fog. You don't have to run marathons. A brisk 30-minute walk or a short yoga session can enhance energy and focus. The key is consistency. Make movement a daily habit. 4. Manage stress. Calm your mind, clear the fog. Chronic stress is one of the biggest contributors to brain fog. Mindfulness practices, like meditation, reduce stress and improve focus. Take 5 minutes a day to breathe deeply, meditate, or simply pause. These moments of calm can restore your clarity and energy. 5. Investigate underlying health issues. Brain fog is sometimes a symptom of medical conditions, such as hypothyroidism, vitamin deficiencies, or even chronic fatigue syndrome. If lifestyle changes don't work, consult a healthcare provider for a deeper look. 6. Limit digital overload. Our always-on digital world drains mental energy. To combat this, follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This simple habit can prevent mental fatigue. Closing thoughts. Ladies and gentlemen, energy and mental clarity are not luxuries. They are necessities for a fulfilling life. By prioritizing sleep, eating brain-friendly foods, moving our bodies, managing stress, and staying mindful of our habits, we can overcome brain fog and unleash our full potential. Sleep, nutrition, exercise, and mindfulness are the pillars of a vibrant life. Together, they empower us to lead energized, focused, and impactful lives. Thank you.